All right, I got what you call a cream puff beacon by VANLEIGH, also made by TIFFIN, full body paint. Look at this, 2 awnings, beautiful, beautiful trailer. We also have a Riverstone right now, same floor plan, but this will make your neighbors jelly. For real. This is a nice trailer, guys. Look how beautiful. They do such a good job. I'm talking every detail is primo. Multiple ACs, fireplace, 2 bathrooms. Look at this. Look at this king bedroom. Oh my gosh. Walk-in closet, dual vanities. Oh my gosh. Woo. So beautiful.